When people come to Sambhavna Clinic, we provide them with appropriate medical care. This is a place they can feel safe, a place they can trust, doing good, honest work for the people of Bhopal poisoned by Union Carbide and its new owner, Dow Chemical. To meet the medical needs of survivors, breathing difficulties, damaged eyesight, reproductive complications, rising cancer rates, and more, Sambhavna offers a range of modern and traditional therapies. Participants in yoga therapy receive instructions in postures and exercises aimed at reducing the effects of disaster related illnesses. This is a natural form of treatment, an effective alternative to synthetic Western style medicines that are often found to be doing more harm than good. Another holistic treatment option is Ayurveda, an indigenous system of care using herbal remedies to help the body heal itself. Panchakarma is one series of Ayurvedic treatments available at Sambhavna. Steam remedies and massage are examples of Panchakarma treatment using a combination of boiled herbs and other natural products. Panchakarma is a proven remedy for many health problems, including joint and muscle pains common among survivors. Our allopathic staff includes two general physicians, a gynecologist, and consultants in psychiatry and ophthalmology, providing modern medical expertise.
सुबह उठते ही पहले एक गिलास गरम गरम पानी पीना है आपको।
All of the clinic's medical work is supported by our in house pathology lab. The lab performs a range of blood and urine tests, providing accurate and efficient results towards diagnosis and treatment patterns. Many remedies originate in our 1 acre garden adjacent to the clinic, which harvests more than 100 medicinal plants. These medicines are blended with locally purchased herbs, producing nearly 50 kinds of Ayurvedic remedies. After visiting one of Sambhavna's physicians, survivors can pick up their prescribed treatments at our dispensation unit. Extensive medical records are kept on file for every person receiving care at Sambhavna. Entries are monitored closely, tracking the effectiveness of our work. All treatment is provided at no cost to survivors. Sambhavna conducts extensive outreach in affected neighborhoods, sending community health workers into these communities every day to identify people in need of treatment, follow up on those receiving care at the clinic, and monitor other local health issues. Clinic issues are raised and discussed at length during weekly staff meetings. Most decisions on important topics are taken collectively by the entire staff. Over half of our staff members are survivors of the gas disaster. Several live in the contamination affected communities. The community health staff also contributes to our research efforts, documenting trends and new areas of concern among the full range of survivors' health problems. Several Sambhavna studies are published nationally and internationally. All of our research is available in the clinic's library. along with other studies and government publications, part of our archive of disaster related material. This is the most comprehensive collection of literature about the Bhopal disaster. Every facet of Sambhavna's work is based out of our beautiful clinic home, located near the communities most affected by the gas disaster and water contamination. Open since 2005, this facility includes solar energy production among its many eco-sensitive features. This allows Sambhavna to maintain long-term environment-friendly initiatives. As in Bhopal, citizens of the world are sick because of industrial poisons. In many cases, people have no option but to take medicines made by corporations polluting their environment. Through herbal and drug-free remedies, Sambhavna is committed to escaping this circle of poison. Sambhavna accepts no corporate money or government assistance, operating largely on donations from over 10,000 concerned citizens worldwide. Many of those concerned citizens travel to Bhopal to help Sambhavna as guest researchers, medical specialists, or volunteers, applying their skills toward every aspect of the clinic's mission. To sustain our work at Sambhavna, we need your help. Join us in this effort by contributing money, donating equipment, or volunteering your time in Bhopal.